Hello children, welcome back to Grade 4 Computer Online Classes. Today I am going to solve textbook worksheets page number 17 and 18, chapter 1, revision level 3. Children, be ready with your computer textbook, pencil and an eraser. Let us understand learning outcome of this session. We are learning to recall and apply stepwise thinking and asanas. Let us start activity number 1. The steps involved in the digestion of food in the human body are given below. Number the steps in the correct order. Children, observe the given image and recall digestive system of human body studied in EVS class. Now, read all the statements given here so that you can number all the steps easily and correctly. Let me read all steps for your reference. Step 1. You take a bite of food. Water is removed from the remaining food in this large intestine. Your teeth tear, chop and grind the food. Food reaches the stomach. It is mixed with digestive juices and churned. The waste food is thrown out through the rectum. The food is mixed with more digestive juices in this long narrow intestine. The food breaks down further. The crushed food travels through the esophagus. Children, can you guess what would be the step number 2 and 3? Yes, you are right. Step number 2. Your teeth tear, chop and grind the food. 3. Yes, the crushed food travels through the esophagus. Can you guess what would be the step number 4, children? Yes, food reaches the stomach. It is mixed with the digestive juices and churned. The remaining part of this activity, you will solve it on your own. Let me move to activity number 2. Circle true if the statement is correct and false if the statement is not correct. A. Increasing the font size on the computer screen will strain your eyes. Children, can you guess whether the statement is true or false? Yes, you are right. Statement is false. B. You can work on a computer without breaks. Can you guess, children? The statement is false. Yes. C. If you are not typing or using the mouse, relax your hand in your lap. Circle the correct answer. Taking turns to use a computer is a good habit. Circle the correct answer, children. E. Sitting on a low chair to work on the computer keeps the posture correct. Circle the correct answer, children. Hope you will do it on your own. Let me take you to activity number 3. Bittu wants to exercise his eyes. Which of the following 2 exercise should he do? Options: palming, Manibandhana Chakra, blinking, Samakonasana. Can you guess, children, which are the 2 options? Yes, you are right. Palming, blinking. Hope you understood this activity, children. Yes, it is time to end our session. Home play. Solve the textbook worksheet page number 17 and 18 in the textbook only. Children, enjoyed this session? Yes. Thank you. Bye bye, children.